How to see logged in devices on Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can see where you are logged in on Instagram. So for that, first of all, you have to open your Instagram app. So just click on that. After coming to your home page, you'll have to click on your profile icon on the bottom right. After coming to your profile, you have to click on these three horizontal lines on the top right. And now your settings and activity will be loaded. Now among settings and activity, you have to click on account center. This account center, click on that. And now scroll down until you find under the account settings heading password and security. And now here, check for the option where you're logged in under security checks. Here are the devices where your account is logged in. Click on this. And now right now, only and only this device on which I am logged in right now is only logged in. But if there are multiple devices where your account is logged in, all of them will be displayed over here. And then there will be an option where you can log out from a specific device. So that is how you can check your login activity on Instagram. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up.